and we're just setting out. We've had the lads in excavating for the foundations, so they want it shuttered off both sides to keep it independent. Right, so the concrete pumps arrived. Right, what's happening, guys? So, little video on our current project. We're doing a rear extension and a full renovation in Wickford, and we're just setting out. We've had the lads in excavating for the foundations. So we've got a 600 wide foundation, minimum 1.1 deep. So we've followed the existing neighbouring one. That's all been signed off by building control. We've got a Sure building control doing this one, which is a private inspector. They've been good as gold so far. Concrete's booked in for 2 o'clock today, so we're just getting the last few bits sorted out. So this is a new, well, it's not a new way, but it's new for this area, what they've asked us to do regarding the drains passing through. So they want it shuttered off both sides to keep it independent, and then shingle over the top. So we need to get our levels worked out. What Tim's done is he's used a laser to get the height and just cut some rebar and just banged it in for pegs, just as a bit of a reference. And as the concrete's coming through, we'll check it with a laser. This is the party wall, which is going to be shared for both extensions. It's going to be a parapet with a flat roof on it like the other side. So we've got to do post concrete rebar and tie that in. So that's been drilled, chem fixed like so. So that's all good. Last final checks and we're good to go. Right, so the concrete pumps arrived. 2:20. The 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 mixer on their way, so we'll get this in. Another hour, we'll be out the door.